we're talking about properties of rational exponents, and we want to use properties of rational exponents to simplify expressions with rational exponents. So here we have 3b times 3b to the third, and we can rewrite this to help us out a little bit. Because this is all multiplication, we can write this as 3 times 3, and then times b to the third. And here we can just multiply 3 by 3, and the b to the first and the b to the third is going to be, because they have the same base, it's going to be products of powers. And so we know 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And then we have b to the 1 plus 3. And then this ends up being 9b to the fourth. The next one we have is 4b to the fourth times b to the first. And that's going to be the same thing because we still have the same base of b to the fourth. So this is going to be product of powers as well. And so we can rewrite this as 4 times b to the fourth times b to the first. And we can rewrite that again as 4 times b to the 4 plus 1, which in this case ends up being 4b to the fifth. And then the last one, we have a times a to the third. This is going to be product of powers as well because we have the same base. And so we get a to the 2 minus 3. And then 2 minus 3 is a to the negative 1. So at this point, we can use the negative exponent. And we get, and the negative exponent says, if it's a negative exponent, we can move it to the denominator and make it positive. So that's 1 over a to the first. And we don't have to write it if it's to the first. We can just leave it as 1 over a.